Have you ever gotten a raise at work and thought, finally, I can afford that new car? Or maybe you upgraded your apartment, bought the newest iPhone, or started eating out more often. It's called lifestyle inflation. Every time your income increases, your spending increases right along with it. The result? You're making more money than ever, but somehow saving less. Here's what financially successful people do instead. Whenever they receive a raise, they invest part of it before increasing their lifestyle. If you get a 10% raise, try investing at least half of it. Your future self will thank you. Habit number 2. Buying things to impress people. Social media has created a dangerous illusion. Luxury cars, designer clothes, exotic vacations, perfect homes. What you don't see is the debt behind many of those pictures. According to multiple financial surveys, many Americans carry thousands of dollars in credit card debt while still spending money to maintain an image. Wealthy people focus on building assets. Everyone else often focuses on buying liabilities. Remember this. Looking rich and being rich are two completely different things. 315 to 430. Habit number 3. Ignoring an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down. You lose your job. Medical bills appear out of nowhere. Without an emergency fund, every unexpected expense turns into credit card debt. Financial experts generally recommend saving 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses in a high-yield savings account. It won't make you rich, but it can stop a financial emergency from becoming a financial disaster. Habit number 4, waiting to invest. One of the biggest myths is, I'll invest when I have more money. The problem is, time matters more than the amount. Even investing a small amount consistently can grow significantly over decades because of compound interest. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to work for you. Waiting 5 or 10 years can make a much bigger difference than most people realize. Habit number 5, carrying high-interest credit card debt. Credit cards aren't bad, but high-interest debt is. If your credit card charges 25% interest, every balance you carry becomes much more expensive over time. Paying only the minimum payment can keep you in debt for years. Where possible, focus on paying off high-interest debt first while continuing to make minimum payments on other debts. Expensive debt can free up money for future savings and investing. Habit number 6. Never learning about money. Most schools teach algebra, few teach budgeting, few explain investing, few cover taxes or retirement planning. Financial literacy is one of the most valuable skills you can build. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos. The more you understand money, the better decisions you're likely to make. Knowledge often pays the highest returns. Habit number 7, having no financial plan. Imagine taking a road trip without a destination. That's how many people handle money. Instead, create simple goals. Save your first $1,000. Build an emergency fund, pay off debt, invest consistently. Save for retirement. A written plan doesn't have to be complicated. It simply gives your money a purpose. Conclusion. Financial freedom isn't about being lucky. It's about making small, smart decisions consistently over time. You don't need to earn millions, you need to develop better habits. Start with just one change this week. Future you will be glad you did. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more practical personal finance tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.